In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change your Spotify username. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to personalize your Spotify experience, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's jump into the guide. Are you eager to change the username on your Spotify account? Well, you're in the right place. Open up the Spotify website and ensure that you are logged in. However, there's a catch with Spotify usernames. The name displayed at the top is not your actual username, it's the display name. To find your username, and go to Account. Here's the thing. The username isn't visible on the mobile app. It consists of numbers and letters and serves more as an internal identifier. You cannot change this username, and it's not visible to others. It's for your reference only. If you want to alter the name visible to others, you need to change the display name. Return to the main screen and go to Profile. From there, click on your name, remove the existing one, enter the new display name, and click Save. This is the only name you can change, and it's the one visible to others. And that concludes our guide on changing your Spotify username. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement inspires us to create more content like this. For daily tutorials, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.